Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. First, open the Google form that you have created. If you have not yet created one, you can go to forms.google.com and create it by adding your questions. Once your form is ready, look at the top menu bar inside the form editor. You will see three tabs: Questions, Responses, and Settings. Click on the Responses tab. Inside the Responses section, you will see a small green Sheets icon on the right-hand side. This icon is used to link your Google form to a Google Sheet. Click on that icon. You will now see a pop-up window asking whether you want to create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. If you choose to create a new spreadsheet, Google will automatically name it after your form, but you can change the name if you want. If you already have a spreadsheet where you want the responses to be stored, you can select that option instead and then pick the spreadsheet from your Google Drive. Once you make your choice, click on the Create or Select button. Your Google form is now connected to Google Sheets.